reach yesterday wey dey involve the same man Davido. For one side, him dey call himself blessed because of him wife Chioma. For the other side, Portable dey call am out say him only buy food and give am bad advice, and say Zlatan sef enter the matter. Wait, make I break everything down because this one e get plenty gist. First story, and this one na pure sweet love. You know say Chioma Adeleke just celebrate her 31st birthday for April 30th, and Davido, the man wey many people think say e no go ever settle down, im write her one birthday message wey melt everybody heart. Davido write, "Happy birthday to my baby, my peace, my home. You changed everything for me. The love, the calm, the way you hold me through it all. Now you be my real strength. God really took his time with you. Thank you for being an amazing wife, an incredible mother, and the one person that truly gets me. I go choose you over and over again." Chioma herself read the message and she come dey cry. She say him too sweet, and say if that one no dey enough, Davido buy her Hermes Belkin bag as birthday gift and come tell her say na only introduction, more is coming. This na just the genesis. Butterflies. Then yesterday, Chioma post video of herself for outing with her female friends. She dey show off her curves and her banging body for inside one mini dress. The video catch fire for online immediately. Everybody dey talk about how she take dey look fine. Davido see the video and he repost am for im Instagram story with just 5 words: "I am not lucky, I am blessed." That was it. 5 sweet words. But the internet burst. Fans begin to celebrate the couple everywhere. People say, see man wey sabi wetin him get. See husband wey appreciate him wife for public. For week wey full of marriage clash and drama everywhere, Davido and Chioma dey give us hope say love still dey exist. So as we already know, Portable lose fight to Efe for boxing on May 2nd. All 3 judges score am 27-30. Unanimous decision. The man lose im celebrity boxing championship belt wey he work hard to get. After the fight, Davido come storm the club with Efe and their crew to celebrate the win. Videos show Davido dey hug Efe passionately. Dey flaunt im champion belt and Davido dey laugh and dey enjoy himself. The whole thing go viral, and Zlatan join for the celebration. For im ex, im post say im get 10 million naira cash ready for Efe, and im use that post to taunt Portable with style about im defeat. When Portable see all this, the man explode. Im go for TikTok live come begin dey talk. Im say, "Those of una wey dey hate me dey celebrate belt wey I don collect 2 times. If na music show concert, dem no go come o. Dem wan see my downfall. My enemies come out to fight against me. See Davido and Zlatan dey use my boxing belt enter club. You fit get money, make you no get sense o." Then im go even further. Im reveal say im history with Davido. Im say, "Davido never help me before. The first time wey we meet for one place, im buy me only food. Plenty bad advice na im give me. Second time wey we meet for one club, im give me drink, but im never give me anything, not even one verse." Im also reveal say Zlatan na the person wey cause the bad blood wey dey between him and Davido originally. Im say im suppose be one of Davido wedding groomsmen, but Zlatan call Davido come spoil everything. Im even call Zlatan a devil. And Portable no stop there. Im dey now challenge both Davido and Zlatan for boxing matches. Im say bring Davido and Zlatan make I take dem make money buy wetin I want. I want a sure fight now. I dey ready. The man lose fight on Friday and by Tuesday im don dey issue 2 new boxing challenges. Internet reactions dey pour in from left, right, center. Some people dey laugh, some people dey feel sorry, some say Portable dey use drink to dey stay alive. But one thing wey all of us know be say when Portable talk, Naija must listen. Okay, make I give una my honest take for dis 2 story today. Davido and Chioma, dis one warm my spirit, soul and body genuinely. Dis man bin go through so much: baby mama, drama, tragedy, public scrutiny, and for everything Chioma stand by am, and now im dey declare her blessed publicly, buy am Birkin bag, write love letter for her birthday. Dis na wetin real husband look like. No be perfect but in ten tional. Naija need more of dis kind of love story, abeg. Now for Portable, my brother, I understand your pain. You lose fight, den you see your senior colleague dey hug the man wey beat you shege. Hey, dis one dem dey celebrate for club, dat one pain you. Sorry my brother, but you dey call out Davido say im na only buy you food for restaurant, dey challenge 2 people for boxing the same week wey you just lose fight. Dis na either very brave or desperation. Only Portable fit make us dey confused like dis. But here na the real lesson from Portable story. When you lose, the way you respond say plenty things about you, character, than the loss wey you get himself. Now im dey challenge the whole music industry to boxing. The man na pure original Naija entertainer. Whether im win or lose, im no dey ever dey boring. I love him for that. Who you think say Portable go fight next? Abeg drop your comment below. And if dis gist entertain you today, abeg like the video and share am, and subscribe to Naijagistcentral for fresh Naija gist for inside pidgin for every week. Na me be Clara. God bless una and see una for my next video. Bye.